Okay, welcome to this week's vlog. A few little quick clips, but there's usually no structure this week and it's not going to be that long. Alright, on my way to Gold Coast to pick up my new iPhone 7 Plus. I'm going to go 90 Ks. Couldn't find one near me. Alright, let's go in and get my new iPhone. Alright, just picked up my new iPhone. Black 7 Plus. Alright, I'm going to unbox that later when I get home, but first let's go to the beach and fly my drone. Well, I was going to fly my drone, but there's too many people here. I'm allowed to fly around populous areas. Sucks. Next to Dreamworld theme park. Not in their airspace, that's okay. Just found this big AFL field. Does that help with the wind? I'm definitely becoming more daring with my maneuvers on my drone. I flew it into the middle of a tree, but not like crashing it on purpose, and was able to get it out. I'm thinking by the time we get to Everest, I'm going to have my skills honed. I'm going to get some amazing footage of Everest Base Camp and all the villages along the way. So I'm excited about times ahead. Let's go home now. Let's open my new iPhone 7 Plus. Let's unbox this new iPhone 7 Plus 256 gig matte black. Ooh yeah. This will be as mark free as I'll ever get it. We got Yesterday, GoPro announced Karma, their new drone, as well as their Xiro 5 Black series. And so basically I'm going to sell my current drones, which I only bought about two months ago, and sell this Xiro for silver as well. To basically get the money together to be able to buy the package of having the Karma drone with the new Xiro 5 Black Edition GoPro. So therefore there'll be no vlogging for at least another 4 weeks. But I only just started this channel, so with all my 0 subscribers, I don't think anyone's going to miss me for a month. But when I come back, it'll basically be about 4 weeks before I go to Everest, which is when all the amazing footage is going to come from. Yeah, exciting times ahead. So thank you for watching my first few videos, and I'll see you in a month.